This year of on-off lockdown has challenged one and all, and though for most the school was closed, us teachers all stood tall. The history books will talk of now, the time the world stood still, yet quietly in the background, teachers' duties did fulfil. We've had very little notice, but have risen to the test. To do our best for you all, we have no time to rest. With daily lesson videos, emails and phone calls too, virtual and Google Classrooms, we are always here for you. Humbled by your resilience, you've mastered skills online, you've read books on Epic and talked to friends FaceTime. Like a lighthouse in the dark, an anchor in the storm, we're here to help you along the way until a brighter morn. The sun will shine on you again, the clouds will go away. These were the words of Captain Tom. Tomorrow will be a good day. I hope you live your best life and all your dreams fulfill. Know I always thought of you, the time when life stood still.